Hi, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, which will be TV. Hi guys, it's been a long time haven't been opening my boxes and my packages. This one got a lot now, so this has been long overdue. I'm sorry, has been very busy lately because going back to office and all. So yeah, welcome back. So shout out to my son, GN Gamer TV. You follow his channel. Gonna post the link below, and to our good friends Boy Enjoy and Junicious TV, who's been collecting NBA cards also. So yeah, these are packages from the Mamitas, and most of them are from Team Breaks. So let's start. Everything has been taken out from the packages mail because I use the stock tree. If you know, from US, you will have a US address, then you ship all the cards there in the US address, then ship it back here in Singapore or in any country that you have, okay, via the DHL. So okay, let's start. I'm sorry. So start with the high voltage. Put these things back here first. Yeah, look at that. So nice. And Joel Embiid. These are 3 high voltage if I'm not wrong. These are my collections. Ooh, Trey Young. Nice. And on the right side is a Trey Young rookie card also. I got Atlantox from a 2018 team break. I got lucky. This is a base only, but nevertheless it's a rookie card. Still a $20 value if you call it. Nice and clean, sharp edges from Whatnot breaks. And also I got Raptors. Nothing much from here. Lowry, Vince Carter, Green Lowry. All the bases from 2018. Donruss, Danny Green, all the Spurs because this has been Toronto Raptors already. And Skylar Mays, RC Red Wave. Nothing much, but I'm not sure whether it's still playing. I'm gonna put it there at the back. Okay, opening Spurs break. 2018 rookie Lonnie Walker, who's already a member of Lakers, just recently signed. So he's been a good contributor in the Spurs, but unfortunately got the free agency and hit the free agency and signed with the Lakers. He's a good player, high potential. And Chimesi Metu I have. Yeah, nice. I like this player also. All the Spurs, Prism. The Jonte. Second and third year. The Rosen is there. Lonnie Walker, Rookie Kings. Nice card. And another Lonnie Walker. Put it there. Right. Got the Memphis. This is a break also from Grandpa's Garage, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Memphis. I only have Valanciunas and a base of a Kyle Anderson. Nothing much, but it's okay. Open this card. Okay, gonna need a cutter, handy dandy cutter from this. Look at that, my boy. Sorry, Nikola Jokic, tricolor. Call this court site. Select. That is nice. I think this is a nice card. I got the Anthony Davis also, Andre Drummond, and there are two tricolor. Nice, my boy, parallels. Go there, boy. Go there, boy. Another break. Ooh, no, this is Mamitas. Just now the Jokic are the Mamitas also. Get the pink one. I got the high voltage run. And the center stage. Lime. Prism. Mosaic. 2019 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2019, 2020. Nice. That is some nice card right there, man. Right? I got the tidal waves. LeBron. I think this is it's a clear card. Acetate. Nice. Harder to come by, man. I got another rookie card of Trae Young. Ice Trae. Nice one. Some couple of cards. Ooh, Omari Spellman. Alright. Omari Spellman again. 2018 got a lot of rookie for Atlanta Hawks. Dwayne Dedmon is here. Alright. It's a laser. All the bases are there. Ooh, our boy Jeremy Lin still here. Atlanta Hawks doing his thing. And white boy Kevin Herter is there also. Alright. Then what do we got? Some baseball cards here. Don't know whether you're interested. Just for the sake of opening, I'm gonna open and show it to you guys. And I got a rookie card. Oh, this is a chrome numbered card. Dalton Varsho of Arizona Diamondbacks. Ooh. RC card. Nice. Tops chrome. From Rangers, Leo De Taveras, Willie Castro, and Brandon Lowe. Nothing much. Just one package. So that's one. That's all. Okay. Another PC of mine. Jokic, Mr. MVP. I hope he will get his championship soon. Remove this tape. Show you his face. That is a laser numbered of 49, 13 of 49, and a duos card of Durant, KD, and Giannis. Some nice card right there. Donner's hobby. Some nice card right there. I think I'm gonna keep this one on the last card. Some nice card right here. Ooh, this one coming from CNC, if I'm not wrong. I won this. Pink Cade Cunningham and Anthony Davis from Raz. I think I won this from Raz. Ooh, high court Lakers. Nice. And a couple of cards right here. Nothing much. These are from premium stock. Anthony Davis. Nothing much. Ooh, my boy Primo. Kendrick Nunn. I hope he play. Ooh, DeJounte Murray. Parallel. Nice. My PC. The Marcus Aldridge. That's some nice card right there. I forgot what it's called, but ooh, now playing also Joshua and DeMar DeRozan Silver, Alex Caruso, and Devin Vassell. Nice hits right there from Spurs. Spurs boy. This one is a Spurs. Spurs break. I don't think I got anything from here, but you see how thick it is. Those are like bunch of base cards, man. But I got Brooklyn also. Cam Thomas is there. Not gonna show you all the cards because I know these are bases. I'm just gonna show you some hits. Maybe Great Expectations, nice rookie. Primo is there also. See that Primo. Bases, and at the back I got Doc McDermott. I got Pacers also. And Devin Vassell. Some nice hits right there.
What?
Cam Thomas, nothing much. Joe Viscamp, my goodness. Oh, DeJounte Murray, franchise features. Nice. Okay. Nice cards right there. Got some thickness over here. These are a lot. This is a lot, man. A lot of cards, man. From non-stop breaks. I got the Spurs, the Raptors, of course, Mr. ROTY, Rookie of the Year. Scotty Barnes is right there. Base only, but still got value. And Washington Wizards. Just gonna show you all the hits. Oops, sorry. Of course, this is a hit. RC Terrence Davis, nothing much. Oh, Fred VanVleet, Emerald. Fred VanVleet again. Siakam is there. Nothing much. OG Anunoby, Mitch Carter, and Mr. ROTY himself. Spurs. What do we got from Spurs, man? This is from NBA, still NBA hooks. See, delay already on the cards. It's been a long time overdue. I'm sorry about that. I'm just gonna show you all this stuff. Ooh, Joshua Primo is there. Devin Vassell orange. Devin Vassell again. And DeJounte Murray is there. Ooh, Tim Duncan, Mr. Fundamental. And Devin Vassell rookie card. Okay, to continue. Washington Wizards. Jam Masters, Westbrook. Don't know where he's gonna play. Bradley Beal, who got a contract, big contract. Isaiah Todd, my goodness. Bryant. Oh, this one is Admiral Schofield. This is Bryant of the Bradley Beal. Nice parallel right there. Kispert is there also. Too much. Oh, this is Sacramento. I got from. This is not Mamitas. This is a teamwork. Luckily, I got this high voltage. Nothing much. Body healed. Still in the Kings uniform, and the Aaron Fox. Bagley still in the Kings uniform. Okay. And this is what? Ooh, there's an auto right there, man. I think this is the Luka Garza. Luka Garza, Prism, the Contenders, Sadiq Bey, Genies, and Jeremy Grant. And of course, our hit is Luka Garza auto. Iowa Hawkeyes RC, of course, Prism draft picks. Ooh, it's numbered 43 of 99. Some nice card right there. Thank you. Lucky. And I think this is a nice card. Last package for the day, for this video. It's Surprise! This is a big card. I'm telling you. I'm gonna put it. Ooh, can you see that? Who's that? Can you see that? Who's that, Lakers? 23. It's LeBron James. Dimensions. That's a nice card right there. It's a case hit card. Case hit card. Look at that. Some sort of a 3D lenticular. Ding! It changes. See? If I put it at this angle, it's a close one. But if I put it like this, looks like he's doing a layup. There. Nice. This is hard to come by, man. Very difficult to pull in the elite package. That would be all. See you next unboxing on WBB TV. Like it if you like it, the video, thumbs up. Bye bye. See you again.